So today we discuss about alternator. Alternator or synchronous generator is a electrical machine which is generally converted the mechanical power to the electrical power. That means the three-phase AC power. So let's discuss about the working principle of the alternator. Alternator also operates the Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions like a DC generator, and according to this law, when there is a relation motion between the flux and conductor, an EMF is induced in that conductor. So according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, if the coil is placed between the flux, this is the lines of flux. Okay, so if the conductor is placed on between the flux, and if the conductor is rotate with respect to flux, when the flux is stationary and if the conductor is rotate, it may be either clockwise or anti-clockwise. In that case, here an induce will be induced according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions. And if the conductor, this is constant, and if the magnetic line of force is rotate, so in that case the same induced will be EMF will be induced here. So in the case of alternator, the second case is considered. So now like a DC generator, an alternator also has an armature winding and a field winding. But there is one important difference, that usually in an alternator, on the stator, and field winding is placed on the rotor. It will be armature winding. So I'll repeat it. Like a DC generator, alternator has an armature winding and the field winding, but in one important difference, that usually in an armature winding on the stator and the field winding is the placed of rotor, and in the case of alternator, the field winding that is the armature winding is constant, and the field winding it is rotated and it is placed on the rotor. And also a DC supply is given to the rotor winding through the slip rings and carbon brass. So here in this figure we can see that a 4-pole rotor slot, and the winding is around the field winding, and it is energized by the DC supply through slip rings. So when the DC is applied to the winding, so in that case So generally we can energize through the slip rings or carbon brush. So when the DC supply is energized, the field windings, a stationary flux generated. Here as we can see that these flux are stationary, but as the rotor is rotate at synchronous speed by the prime mover, the flux also rotate at a synchronous speed. So actually this rotor is also rotate at the synchronous speed, and as the flux is associated with the rotor, so in the flux also rotate in the synchronous speed. Suppose we consider it is rotate around clockwise direction, so in that case the motor also rotate in the clockwise direction, so the flux also rotate in the same direction because it is associated with the rotor. That is, rotating field is produced when the rotating field pass through the air gap and cuts the stationary armature winding, and EMF is induced in the armature winding. So in that case the armatures are placed on here. Armature windings are placed on here. Okay, so as the armature winding is stationary and the field is cuts constantly the armature winding, so in that case EMF will be induced here. So this is the main operating principle of the alternator. I hope you understand. So thank you.